Hi, this is Steve from the G Suite Tips team here in the UK, and you can find us online at our website, gsuitetips.com, home of all the tips, and you can follow along on Twitter and Google+, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today's tip is to show you how to open a spreadsheet on a specific tab or worksheet. So to show you this, I'm going to just show you this spreadsheet that I've prepared. And you can see I've got sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and a sheet 4. I've put different colors on them just to make it clear which one you're in at any particular time. If I go to sheet 1 here, you can see that I'm in the URL here for docs.com, spreadsheets, and then this is the unique ID of this particular spreadsheet. And then if you see on the end here, we've got hash GID equals 0. And if you just watch this bit, as I change the sheet, you can see that the ID changes, sheet 3, and it changes again. So if I want to link somebody to sheet 3, let's say, I can simply copy that link, and if I paste it over here, you'll see that I'll land in the sheet, and then it will flip into, in this case, sheet 3. And you could use that. I'm going to give you an example here in an email. So I'm sending an email to Mark about his monthly report, and I could say, select the here. Okay, so you can find your new report here, use the link tool, and paste in the link, and you can see I've got the GID there for sheet number 3. Click OK, and now you can see that that's a link, and if that email gets sent and he clicks on here, then it will go straight to the spreadsheet and land on sheet 3. And as if that wasn't amazing enough, you can also, I'll just close down some of these, you can also do this. If you look here in sheet 4, it's called sheet 4 with a filter view, and you may have seen filter views before. Let me just find it. Let me just refresh that. It's gone off the screen. Okay, so filter views you can access here on the filter button, and click here for the filter view, and there's a couple of filters that I've set up. So I've filtered by major, and you can see I'm in that filter view now, and I could switch to the other filter view by extra activity, and it's filtering by the extracurricular activity. It's just doing a different sort or something on there. But you can now see on the URL, we've got the sheet number, we've got the GID, and we've also got ampersand filter view ID, FVID, and then a unique number. So if I now take this URL and copy it, and for example, take that to my email, and I've said also see this thing, and I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click on the link button, and I'm going to paste in. Okay, and now if you watch, if this email was sent and received, when they click on the link, watch what happens here. It opens, flips to the right sheet, and it will say working, and then it should just flip into the filter view like that. So if you've got multiple views for different audiences, you can simply create the filter views with the right view for that audience, and then hand create a link to it and get straight into the sheet in the position that you want based upon the URL. So that's the tip, really. It's to be aware that for each sheet, you have the same sheet ID, but a different worksheet ID. And I've shown you there, sheet 2, it changes. And sheet 3, it's going to change again. And then I've shown you when you've got a filter view on, it actually adds the filter view there to the end of the URL as well. And so you can link people to that. You could ping them a link on a chat message. And as I showed you, you could create an email here, okay, and then send that. And then when Mark receives that, he'll be able to look at the email. And then you've got these live links that take you straight into the sheet, into the right place. So thank you very much for watching. Reminder again, gsuitetips.com, home of all the tips. You've got Twitter, you can follow us. You've got G+, you can follow us on there. And of course, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can watch all these videos. Please do comment and give us your feedback. Let us know anything you're interested in us tipping on or talking about. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.